Welcome. This is a IFS focused morning check-in to get a sense of how your parts are doing today. Find a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed. And take a few deep breaths to start. Try if you can to let go of any stressors you may have, any thoughts that are circulating. Just let all that go. Now, if you can, just kind of scan your body, look for any heaviness or tension, or any, perhaps pain, anything that doesn't feel quite right. And once you've located something like that, try to focus on it. Try to understand everything you can about it. Does it have a shape or a color, a texture maybe? Try to just focus on it for a bit. Now notice if there's anything that it's saying to you. If there isn't, then let's just ask some questions. Simply ask anything that'd be willing to share that we get to know about it. The goal here is to create a connection and develop a relationship with our parts. We want to be accepting and open. If your part is anxious or angry or scared, just relate to it like you would a small child that is struggling in the same way. Offer support, connection, and acceptance. Thank the part for being willing to share if it did share, and just notice if there's any other parts. Perhaps there's another part that's also a bit heightened. Ask it anything it's willing to share. Let it know how much you appreciate it, how much you value the efforts it gives to keep you safe, healthy, and secure. Our parts' efforts are often creating difficulty for us, but their goals are always to help. Try to remember that. Even if what they're doing is not helpful, they're trying their best to keep us safe in the only way they typically know how. Most of our parts are fairly immature. I find it quite helpful to relate to them as they would be a young child. Now, if there's one particular part that is a bit heightened still, try to connect with it and see if we'd be willing to step back. This is a wonderful way of helping you regulate when things are difficult. By connecting with these parts, getting a sense of how they feel, what's going on with them, and then also asking them to step back, to give you a little space. I prefer to let them also know that let's work together to navigate challenges. Let's help each other. Let's work as a team. Ideally, we would work with all of our parts in that way, that our whole system works together. And the ultimate goal is that these parts will be self-led by our authentic self. If you've sufficiently connected with your parts, if not, you can pause this recording and continue to connect with them. If you've sufficiently connected with them, then let's thank them for being available, open, willing to connect. And let them know, which is very important, let them know that you're going to come back and see them frequently, that you care for them, that you love them, and you appreciate all that they're doing. Gently come back to your body awareness. Count down from 5 to 1 if you like. Open your eyes.